Yeah, g'day viewers. I did some checks. I've got this Dick Smith Chang Hong board here. That's the Chang Hong symbol, which is now making TVs under the TCL brand name. I loaded the capacitor off this because the original one off that plasma TV board here fell apart. That's a 322K. I got a 222K value in there. The diode seems to have checked alright. It doesn't get hot or anything, so there's no need to actually replace it. So just touched it up, resoldered it, put that new capacitor in there that failed because the board split into two halves. This capacitor links this half of the board to this half of the circuit board, and that one capacitor had failed and took out half the power supply, so only half of this half was functioning. There's our standby LED. Let's power this thing up. Just replacing that one little capacitor that failed next to this resistor. It makes some switching noises as it made before. Let's see if it sounds any different. I'll plug it in and give it a test. Let's see if it works. One thing I want to try is get the power point to plug out a storage so I can run this thing off my little meters and see how much power it pulls. Bit noisy. Hey, hey! Look at that! It's fixed! Bobby Dazzler! What a simple fix. Temporarily off air. Well, I've got the Palsonic label stuck on there. There's no dithering. Well, I've got the Palsonic stuck in the middle of the screen there. What's going on here? Wow. That transformer's noisy. So now I've just got that on the screen. I put the menu back on. That transformer's under more stress by the sound of it. This transformer here, be careful where you're touching, this is high voltage. So if I put a tiny zip tie around the windings and tighten that winding up, yeah, I'm holding it, see? That transformer has to be soaked under a vacuum in some wood varnish to silence it up. This TV is fine. So black's easy to produce. If I put heaps of colour on the screen, lots of bright pictures, it's under a lot of stress. It's pulling more power to want a bright picture. This transformer is what's responsible for that part of the power supply. So I'm going to have to remove this transformer out of circuit and secure it tightly so the windings aren't moving, and soak it in some varnish to make it silent. Apart from that, this thing's working fine. So this is a main noise transformer. So how much? I've got about 2mm of room between the bobbin and the core, so I might stick a zip tie and that small zip tie around it and tighten it real tightly, see if that shuts the transformer up. So far so good. Loss of signal. So that was locking it in standby mode, so that capacitor is part of the standby part of the power supply. The Palsonic logo there is gone now. So must have just had a glitch up. I've got to get some test patterns out here. Go back to this video menu. This video menu here looks like it's burnt in. I've got to get some test patterns out and just go over the picture, make sure there's no burning on this screen. Wow, this thing works brilliantly. Need the remote now. Power it back on. Palsonic, the Australian company. Look at our pixels. No dithering, so I say it's a success. These older TVs are easy to repair, at least, these old plasmas. As for those ones, they're just made to fail. Stupid. It's good to see they're all 105 degrees Celsius capacitors, because they get bloody hot. Panasonic use fans in their plasmas. Anyway, I'll whack something around this if I get a chance and see if it's so. I might just put up with it for now, put it back together, put up with it. It shouldn't wear the winding yet, I don't think. I hope not. It shouldn't do that. I've got a Samsung power supply if that one ever fails, but it shouldn't be an issue. It's just noisy. It just sounds cheap and nasty with a noisy power supply, but I'll put something around that, and it's inside these windings here. Yeah, you have to give it a soak in some wood varnish eventually. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. I'll call it a successful repair. Thanks for watching.